DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another banger reaction. Yo, shout out to all my stay family. Yo, what's up with all my stay family, man? What up with all my stays? Y'all thought I was gone? Y'all thought I was finished? Y'all thought I was done? Nah, man, you know I'm part of this family forever. You know what I'm saying? Forever. This ain't no one-time thing. This ain't no, you know what I'm saying? I'm part of the stage forever, gang. You already know what time it is. Man, it's been a minute, gang. I know. Y'all been waiting for a video. It's been a minute. I apologize, but I'm back. You know, I was focusing on some other songs, some other music for a little bit, but trust me, I'm always going to return to my stage. You feel me? I'll just let y'all enjoy those reaction for now until I get back. Yeah. So, yeah, man, gang. And, yeah, if you're watching this, please like and subscribe. Come on, let's run this number up, gang. I'm trying to get to 5K subs before the end of the year, gang. Can you over exceed that and get me to 10? Okay, well, I'm trying to hit 5K something before the end. So help me out, hit the like and subscribe button. It helps me out. I really appreciate, gang. But yeah, to all my stay family, who thought I was gone, man? Huh? Who thought I was gone? If you thought I was gone, then you feel me? You don't really believe in me. Because I'm here to stay, gang. And today, we got one that was recommended by one of our Da Mafia member, B-Lie. This one is called Stray Kids. And this one is entitled Easy. I'm supposed to be doing Thunderous first. But nevertheless, this one is entitled Easy. We're going to check it out and see what's going on, gang. We don't know. We love the reactions. I'm going to check it out, see how lit the video is. Hey, I've been enjoying it so far, so I expect this to be no different. Let's jump right into the track. This is Stray Kids. Easy. Let's get it, gang. Well, off rip, they starting off with the crazy choreography, bro. These man dances and choreography just like crazy. They do this so well as a team too, in sync, bro. Man say I don't care, bro. I crush anything I go off for. You see me? I say, yeah, man, come on. I'm not so east or west. Me no business. Yeah. Man say, yo, don't matter what people gotta say. Put everything aside and live your life. You see me? I say, I like them, bro. They be like, yo, don't care about what people gotta think, bro. Live, do you. You feel me? Don't care. Yeah. You say make things look easy. Why I'm gonna man live on the life, bro? Hey, they dope as hell, bro. Come on. Man said, look at me now. Come on, I make it look easy. Push everything to the side. Come on, watch me now. Come here, start. Come on, let's get it. Man said, yo, I don't care, bro. I just go with the wind, bro. Follow everything that I wanted, bro. Achieve. You feel me? Don't care. Loosen up. Have some fun in your life, bro. Don't take it too serious, gang. Hey, I like it. Man say, I want to let everything go and go play with everyone. You feel me? You don't want to live by the rules, dog. You want everyone. Don't no racism, no race. I want everyone. I want to love, interact with, bro. I don't care if you're Asian, Indian, black, Hispanic, white. We don't care. You feel me? Let's get it. what I find so funny about the Stray Kids, like people think they're so much different, bro. But if you look at the way they dress and the way they act, bro, they're not much different from black people. They like the same stuff we like. You feel me? Look at their clothes. Their clothes. That's hip hop, bro. They look like black people right now. Look at their dress right now. This is something you would see black people wear. You feel me? Come on. I say, yo, sweep everything aside, bro. You feel me? And go for everything I want, bro. Come on, watch me now. Look at me now. I want to know. Hey, I like the message, bro. Come on. Oh, man, say, yo, flaunting everything you have, bro. That ain't nothing. You feel me? But those posers, bro. The brave losers will turn the table. Man, say, yo, the people out there bragging and flashy all the shit they got, bro. Wait. That's just some posing. Are the brave loser, the person that they God thought was loser, I ain't doing anything. They might come change up the table. They might come apply some new thing and change the game. Alright, let's get it. Let's go. The choreography is crazy, bro. No cap, and every video is like a movie, gang. Come on. I'ma make it look so easy. It's so easy. I like Stray Kids, bro. The music is so fun. I like, shout out to my Stay family, bro. Yeah, baby, Stray, bro. Come on, man. They be making their music so fun, energetic, innocent. You know what I'm saying? It's all about being different, being you. You know what I'm saying? Accepting everyone for who they are. Be different, make your life shine. Bro, all of their music have like that same message, bro. Like, yeah, it's crazy. And it's fun to see how they're all a part of a group, but they all have their individual personality and their own identity, their own creativity. Man, shout out to Strays, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Strays, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my Stays, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Stray Kids. Real dope track. Really love it, really enjoy it. And I look forward to more reaction, gang. So let me know what y'all think. You feel me? Y'all run this one. As soon as y'all run this video up, soon I upload the next one. You know what I'm saying, gang? So run it up, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You already know what time it is, gang. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here with another hit and smash it out banger. Till next time, take care of yourself. Love you guys. I'm out.
Blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.